How to fix TikTok Live Studio no access. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and then search TikTok. Make sure you update your TikTok app if not updated. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. After you've done that, open the TikTok app and then go to your profile and click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And here you'll find different options on the right side. Click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, you'll find this kind of screen. And here, simply scroll down, click on Report a Problem. After you click on Report a Problem, click on Account and Profile, which is the first option. Click on Profile Page. After that, you'll find different options. Click on Other. Then, at the bottom, you will find Need More Help. Click on Need More Help. After you click on Need More Help, it will lead you to this page. Now you can simply text with TikTok support team and type in your issue. TikTok will get back to you and solve your issue. This is how to fix TikTok Live Studio no access. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.